I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
Do you have an appointment?
What are your symptoms?
What are your symptoms?
Please fill out this form.
Please fill out this form.
Have you been here before?
Have you been here before?
Please wait in the waiting room.
Please wait in the waiting room.
The doctor will see you now.
The doctor will see you now.
What seems to be the problem?
What seems to be the problem?
How long have you been feeling this way?
How long have you been feeling this way?
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Let me check your blood pressure.
I will need to take a blood sample.
I will need to take a blood sample.
Do you feel any pain here?
Do you feel any pain here?
Open your mouth and say, "Ah."
Open your mouth and say, "Ah."
Lie down, please.
Lie down, please.
Can you describe your pain?
Can you describe your pain?
When did the pain start?
When did the pain start?
Does it hurt when I press here?
Does it hurt when I press here?
Let me listen to your heartbeat.
Let me listen to your heartbeat.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
Is he breathing?
Is he breathing?
We need a stretcher.
We need a stretcher.
Please stay calm.
Please stay calm.
Where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the nearest hospital?
He has a fever.
He has a fever.
Apply pressure to the wound.
Apply pressure to the wound.
We need to stop the bleeding.
We need to stop the bleeding.
He is unconscious.
He is unconscious.
Please help. It's an emergency.
Please help. It's an emergency.
Here is your prescription.
Here is your prescription.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Do not eat before taking this medicine.
Do not eat before taking this medicine.
You need an injection.
You need an injection.
This will help reduce the pain.
This will help reduce the pain.
Do you have any allergies to medications?
Do you have any allergies to medications?
You need to rest for a few days.
You need to rest for a few days.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
You will need to come back for a follow-up.
You will need to come back for a follow-up.
This ointment should be applied to the wound.
This ointment should be applied to the wound.
You need to be admitted to the hospital.
You need to be admitted to the hospital.
Please sign these consent forms.
Please sign these consent forms.
The visiting hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
The visiting hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Your room is ready.
Your room is ready.
Please change into this hospital gown.
Please change into this hospital gown.
The nurse will be with you shortly.
The nurse will be with you shortly.
We will monitor your condition.
We will monitor your condition.
You will stay overnight for observation.
You will stay overnight for observation.
Let me take you to the radiology department.
Let me take you to the radiology department.
You are scheduled for surgery tomorrow.
You are scheduled for surgery tomorrow.
How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today?
Do you need help with anything?
Do you need help with anything?
Let me check your temperature.
Let me check your temperature.
Have you eaten anything today?
Have you eaten anything today?
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
You can press this button if you need assistance.
You can press this button if you need assistance.
Your 4-drip needs to be changed.
Your 4-drip needs to be changed.
It's time for your medication.
It's time for your medication.
Let me adjust your bed for you.
Let me adjust your bed for you.
You can go home once the doctor clears you.
You can go home once the doctor clears you.